Hello friends, how are you all? Trust all over the well. Childhood, child and me as a child. I was very naughty and the whole day I was running around doing something or the other, and all this made me very hungry. I would run into the kitchen, pick out some bread, some buns, and head for the refrigerator, pick out some sauces, jams, butter, cheese, vegetables, cooked and uncooked, salads, pulses, lentils, almost anything that I could find. And then I would stuff them inside the slices of the bread or cut the bun and stuff it inside that and relish it. Well, my dear friend, I think you got your answer. Some of you all always told me that children today do not like to have vegetables, pulses, lentils and so on, which makes them very weak and they head for the fast food. So this is the method by which you can feed the children with vegetables, lentils, pulses and so on. Now how did I do it? Please watch and I'll meet you at the end of the video. How did you like it? How was the idea? Trust, you must have loved it. And I'm sure the children and the grown-up children like you and me, they will also love it. So do try it and do treat everyone you all know. And till the time we meet again with another recipe or a video, is thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And till then, as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.
Audio